Hello, Nitesh here. In this video, we will talk about some key insights when it comes to analyzing traffic, organic traffic coming to your business website. So if you're a small business owner and if you rely on agencies or an in-house team to manage your website content, your traffic, your search engine optimization, SEO, you should be checking a few indicators as a business owner or as a manager to see the trends of the content, the traffic, what's doing well, what's improving, or what pages are now losing traffic. And you don't need to be an expert when it comes to SEO or digital marketing or content marketing. There are free tools provided by Google that give you these insights and overview about how your website is doing in terms of your content and where is it that you should focus. So I'll be taking you through my own website overview, the insights on Google Search Console. So buckle up, let me just show you on what is it that you could do once in a fortnight, once in a month, check these insights and then give directions to discuss with whether it's an agency or whether it is an in-house employee or team that manages SEO and content for your company. So let's get started with a demo of the Google Search Console where I'll take you to traffic insights for my own website. So the moment you come on to the Google Search Console page, I'll leave the link in the description. This is what you see. It says improve your performance on Google Search. You click on Start Now. And if you're already signed into your Google account, it'll take you to the Insights page. If not, it'll ask you to sign in. Now, the best part is that you could use Google Search Console for as many websites that you own. So you need to be the domain owner. It'll ask you to verify those domains. So if you look at here, I could choose the sites that I would want to analyze. So this is my main business consulting site, the business blog that I maintain. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So this is the first page which you get into. It says the overview. Now, just one point to notice that Google Search Console gives you insights and statistics for the organic traffic going into your website. It's not the data statistics or trends of the total website traffic. So you may be getting traffic from social media, you may be getting some direct traffic to your website, from your email campaigns. So those are not part of Google Search Console. For that complete website analytics data, you need to go to Google Analytics, and maybe I'll do a separate demo for that. But this is with relevance to search engine optimization, the organic traffic, the search traffic. Hence, that's what I'm going to show you today. So this, what you see right now, is the organic performance of my website. And it shows you a trend, the number of clicks. And here, if you see, there are two categories. One is the search results. So this is the traditional Google search that we do on your desktop, laptop, mobile phones. And you also have Discover. So this is which Google shows if you browse through Google on your mobile phone or the news section on your computers. You have some auto-suggested stories and links. So that's what Google presents here as Discover. So I get some traffic for search. 66% of my organic traffic is through search and 34% is through Discover. So these are actually the web stories. I will leave the link for my web stories in the description, so you could check those out as well. So this is the home page. You get the performance. We'll go into the details. Then it tells you about the indexing of pages. That's getting into the technical details, which is not what we'll discuss in this video. This is about the traffic. So what we'll do is we will first check out the traffic for search results. That's what we're going to discuss today. So where do we get traffic from? So if you look at, it gives you a chart that says search type web last 3 months, and it gives me the number of impressions, 1.48 million impressions, the number of clicks, the average click-through rate. So the number of people that click, so this divided by this, clicks divided by the number of impressions gives you the click-through rate, and the average position for all the keywords that my website ranks for. And here you could see a trend. And you could go ahead and you could customize the data, the date range. So if I want to check it for the last 1 year on how the traffic and the impressions have improved. So here you could see a positive trend as I've been working on the content, how the impressions and the clicks have grown over a period of time. And then I get to see the kind of queries that lead people to my website. So business management blogs, these are direct keywords for my website. My website is businessmanagementblog.com, and I blog about business, strategy, management, sales, technology. So these are very relevant keywords. Then how to respond to frustrated customer email. So these are key queries or key phrases related to some of my blog posts. Difference between business and entrepreneurship. So what you need to check is the number of impressions that each of these queries is driving for your website and the number of clicks that you get. That gives you an idea of what you need to optimize and what not. For example, I have a post on Denny Crane on management lessons from Denny Crane. So Denny Crane is not a relevant keyword for my website, but it's still driving some traffic. So this may not be relevant, but sometimes that will happen with every website. So you don't need to really optimize for those keywords. I can't go ahead and create content more on Denny Crane. That's not relevant traffic for my business. So again, you could go ahead and it's giving me about 1,000 different keywords, and I could check. I could also check the top performing pages. So what pages are getting more search traffic? So this respond to angry customer email templates. This is getting the maximum impressions and maximum number of clicks. So this blog post is working well for my website. Then there are other blog posts. This is a product page. It's also getting about 1,000 clicks in the last 12 months. So you could go ahead and you could check the countries as well. So are you getting traffic from the countries that you want to target? So for my website, it's United States, India, Philippines, UK, Canada, and then so on. So these insights are available, but I'll show you the one thing which I want you to check as a business owner. So this is the Search Console Insights. So on the overview page, it click on Search Console Insights. It will redirect to you a different page, and here it will show you what contents are now working for you and where is it that you need to focus. So here it gives you some achievements, performance on Google. Now this is what you need to focus, your growing content. This is your content which has started showing improvement now compared to the previous period. So it says that this page, what is vendor comparison, is getting a lot of impressions and clicks for keywords like vendor comparison template, vendor comparison template Excel, vendor comparison report. So 60 new clicks, and it's a growth of 53%. So you get to know what pages have now started getting more traffic. What are the keywords that are driving traffic and the amount of increase. So do you want to really work on these keywords, create more content, optimize this page? Are these keywords relevant for you? And then again, this respond to angry customers email template, a 91% increase, 31 clicks, and the keywords, how to respond to frustrated customer email, angry customer email examples, and it'll give me about 15 such insights. And I get to know my overall most popular content. So again, it gives me the page, subscription tracker Excel, 217 clicks in the last 3 months, and the keywords. So Excel subscription tracker, gym membership Excel template, free download, subscription Excel template. Now on this particular page, I have not targeted gym membership Excel template as a key phrase. The word gym is not mentioned. So what I can do, I can go ahead and create an additional page targeting that particular key phrase. Or I may optimize my existing page for that particular keyword. So, and then you get to see that how people find you. Now you see that people also get to my page while searching for Steve Jobs. That's not a relevant keyword for my website, but actually I have a web story on some popular leadership quotes by Steve Jobs, and that's why I'm getting clicks. But I'm also at a very good position, 12.1. So I'm on the second page, and it's not a direct keyword for my website. So as I said, this happens. Just like Denny Crane, I'm getting some traffic for Steve Jobs, but this is more relevant compared to people looking for Denny Crane. Then I have, which is a significant milestone in the world of generative AI, and my position is 2.3. I'm in the top 5 results. These are similar keywords, and this is a content which I have created in the last 3 or 4 months, and it's already ranking in the top 5. Then I have difference between business and entrepreneurship, 7.2, significant milestone. This is similar to the number 2 and 3. And then so on. I have 50 such top queries. So business management blogs, which is a direct keyword for my website, I'm in the top 5 again with the comparison template. So you could go ahead and you could check these insights. These do not require you to be an expert in SEO, the technical aspects of it, on how to use tools. All that you need to do is ensure that you get access to the Google Search Console for your website. Go ahead and check these insights, especially the overview, where you get to see the performance and you get to know where to focus upon. These are a few technical details which you may choose to overlook, but over like maybe once in a quarter or once in a couple of months, you could ask the agency or the employee responsible for this to explain these things to you. But what you really need to focus on is the overview, the search results, so which pages, what queries, what countries are driving traffic? And most importantly, you need to go ahead and check the Search Console insights that tell you information about your growing content. And once you start monitoring these over a period of time, you'll be able to know which web pages that used to rank earlier are now not giving you enough traffic now. So where to optimize, where to focus, and are you satisfied with the search traffic or not? So you may then need to analyze your entire content strategy and make changes to it. So this is a free tool to use. You may have as many websites, you could add all your websites and check these insights about organic traffic using Google Search Console. So a very handy tool. You don't need to be a technical person. So go ahead, get access for it today itself. And if you have any questions or if you want me to give you insights about your website traffic, you mention in the comments below, or you could visit my website. The link is there, fill up the contact form, and we could have a quick conversation. So I'll be coming back with more such tips, insights, tools for managing and growing your small business. So do subscribe. And if you like the video, do share it with fellow entrepreneurs who would need this information. So thank you for watching and take care and be safe.